Hi, Jojo.
Hi, Jojo.
Who are you calling?
Jojo.
No, who are you calling? You want to call Mickey Mouse?
Yes.
Okay, call him up.
Hello, Mickey Mouse. Hey, Mickey Mouse, call me.
Call you?
No.
No?
You call me. You talk to me.
No, you talk to Mickey Mouse.
Oh, man.
Wait, Joe, you didn't tell me. Where does Mickey Mouse live?
On clubhouse.
In the clubhouse?
Yes.
And where's the clubhouse?
Right there.
In Florida?
No, far away.
Far away?
Yes.
And how do we get to there?
No.
Yes, you do.
Let's think.
Think.
Think. I know.
How?
A plane.
A plane?
Yes.
And how do we get a plane?
Right there. Geo makes plane.
Geo makes the plane?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. So we could take a plane?
Yes.
And go to Mickey Mouse's clubhouse.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Should we wait for Daddy?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you call him and ask him if he wants to go with us.
Okay.
Here's your phone.
Hi, Daddy. I'm going to Mickey Mouse. See you later. Daddy, go plane.
Daddy's on the plane?
Yes.
Oh.
Go Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, to go see Mickey Mouse.
I'll see Mickey Mouse. You see Oso.
I go see Oso?
Yes.
Special Agent Oso?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
You see it.
I see it?
Yes.
Okay, well, how about we try that again? What do we say when we try again?
Yes.
Yes. I love you.
You keep from my fat.
Yeah. You say fart?
Fat.
You made a fart school?
Yes.
Come on, really? Did you make fart school?
Yes.
You tell me.
Yes.
What'd you make?
Fuck you.
What?
Fuck you.
I thought you made a fart school. Wow. Where's the fart school come from? What's that?
A butt.
Your butt? You make a fart school?
Oh.
Tell me, Jojo made a fart school out of his butt.
Yes.
Tell me. You want to tell me?
Yes. Doing.
What are you doing? I don't know.
I'm training. Go there.
I love you.
There, let go.
I love you.
I like.
I miss you so much. Miss you so much.
Go there, face. And breathe out of there. She's gonna need.
Where are you going?
Take a sup.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.